Tijeras.
Yep.
Where's that sign at? There's no sign on, just over there?
Yeah, it was over there, yeah.
Oh, there it is. Tunnel Canyon.
Open too. Horses. We should get some horses.
Horses.
Grass and walk.
Yeah. Man, look at all those trails right there. Just in one spot. Look at that.
Video all in your face.
In your face. It'd be cool if we start to see orange leaves, changing color leaves.
Like all
Yeah, fire. Somebody built
civilization was once
was once here.
I need that though, that remote, because I need to press the button to hold the shutter down, so that way I can do the light painting.
Yeah.
That's a pretty dope bridge. Let's check this.
Yep.
Let's see. I get some angle shots here. How do I put it? I'm trying to remember how I put it to view here. Is it this way? Squash. Some squash.
See if there's a Yeti way on top of the hill right there. There's that Yeti. The Yeti's talking. These are some good trails. Or this is a good trail. And then off to the left. Look at that view.
That's dope. That's actually pretty dope. Let's see what's it. So we got here. Focus out there. Wait, that's what I do. Change right there. So too bright. Let's drop the. Let's see. Left slate. There we go. Let's see. Hopefully that. Oh. Hopefully get back down that shutter. That shutter thing. Right here. From the sun, and then you got the whole scenic view, like hills and stuff like that. And it keeps you like on the edge of like each hill. If we have more swirls, like you know, like the ones that were sideways,
Yeah.
that'd be dope on. You probably doing a Sandia, huh? I think there should be a spot that you can look over the road. I haven't looked for one, but it has to go sideways like that.
Yeah.
That's a really shit here. Well, that's dope. Let's see.
Just going on the trail and we saw pumpkin seeds.
Pretty soon it's gonna spread and we got a bunch of pumpkins everywhere.
Pretty soon in this area, there's gonna be vines coming out with pumpkins. Be going all the way down to the highway, huh?
Yeah, pumpkin patch everywhere.
Like from the road, you'll see a big orange spot around here. Hashtag pumpkins.
Hashtag pumpkin life. Oh, right in the face. Cool. You get that one if you get the lights coming. And if it was only a little more open though, right here.
More for more trail.
Yeah, for like the road, for if you can see more of the road.
Oh,
Shoot.
bike.
Thank you.
Biker.
There's a lot of people that ride bikes over here.
Yeah.
This must be the big trail for the bikes.
Yeah. It's cool.
I don't know, I'm afraid. This is wild. Look at this, you just went down like nothing. Yeah, but if this was like a little more open,
Yeah.
it'd be nice to get that nice little streak right there or something like that. That'd be pretty dope.
There's probably a spot somewhere that you can see.
Nice zigzag. On the
You can
road.
We're coming up to this point up here somewhere, but we're gonna take a right.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, split off to different.
So yeah, it goes left and right.
It's a nice spot where you can show a little campfire or something.
Yeah, well, I wonder if they can do that, like set up a spot like this and then
This looks like it's meant to be
like a
campfire here.
picnic area.
A
Huh?
little picnic area. It's really dope because the spots look like nice little clear spots.
Just bring some food up here and then whatever you're hiking with, just cook out, picnic cookout, hiking picnic cookout.
Yeah.
Hashtag hiking picnic.
Hashtag hiking picnic.
So
Hashtag hiking picnic. Hiking. Okay. Hashtag hiking. Damn it. Hashtag hiking picnic cookout. Actually, the spot looks pretty dope to chill. Like,
yeah,
come hiking over here.
it's blocked off.
The only thing you have to worry about is like, you might, people that bike, you're not pegging them.
So we got left tunnel. Nope. But today we are going Westridge 5268. And if you see on the phone, we are going to take a right. It won't focus. What? Anyway, we're going this way.
Let's do it. With the bike will probably be hard to do. Sandy.
Yeah, I have the head one, but I got the chest one separate, but I couldn't find it. Can't wear tight pants, bro. Alright, here we are at Westridge. Continues that way. That looks like a smooth trail.
Oh, this I go straight to the trees, huh?
Yeah.
This one's
Birdhouse Ridge. So we are headed that way.
ram first. The high
We
five
found the
TP
high
tree.
five tree, teepee tree. See them leaning against each other?
What the heck? Dude,
Why
that
is it white?
dope. Is it coming this way?
It's going to the left. Is it coming this way? I'm just focused on it.
Oh, that is nice. What kind of bird is that?
No idea. It's a white tail too.
He's all white, huh? Damn, it's crazy.
Where's he going? Oh.
Yeah, look at Alabama got 823 miles of trail. Alaska. Arizona got 600. So it tells you all like how many. California got 14,000 or something like that. Colorado.
I would expect California and Colorado, yeah.
Colorado, of course, Colorado got a bunch. Hawaii got 400. Indiana got. See, Iowa got like 270. Like, really? Louisiana got 290. Maine. Massachusetts, they got a bunch of trails too.
If you're just walking like this in a narrow trail, and then all of a sudden your favorite celebrity just pops out.
Because out of nowhere, out of the. They weren't counted or 30 steps.
30 steps. And it just goes up and up. And goes down and down.
Down.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like water does flow through this in these parts right here.
Yeah. I bet when the snow builds up on top.
And it starts melting.
Yeah.
Now, I wouldn't mind coming hiking when the snow's up here. It'd probably look real dope. It's pretty dope.
In the cave.
Yeah, I it's like a cave, yeah.
It's a resting
It's
cave.
a little, beside it, there's a little like, flat spot right there. Just like you put a bed right there. Or Jamaica area.
Honeycomb Trail.
Across the Lake Trail. Kid lights. That must be a nice little turn when the bikes come in.
Yeah.
Like that. It'll be really dope. I think you can see like all neon, whatever. Like the black lights have like black lights to cut like the field. That'd be so dope. And being a dark. Everybody has like fluorescent ball, paintballs or whatever. That'd be so dope.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice right here.
There's a trail right there.
Yeah. It's a nice little spot to chill right here. Right off the cliff.
Over to it.
There's some people over there.
Where? Oh.
Oh, there's that really guy walking his dog down there. There's people over there, right behind the trees.
So that one might have been the one we came through, huh? Think so?
This one? Oh, is this the beginning of it?
I don't know. Let me look on my map. Hold on. But anyway, either way we came from
We're coming this way.
that big one over there. We're actually on the top, huh?
Yeah, here's the top.
Or on the left side of it.
Yeah.
So we're like right there. Yeah. We didn't actually go to the top, but we're on the left side right there.
Gotta go on though. If it didn't happen, I probably wouldn't be hiking that much though. That's the reason why I've been hiking. I have to come out, I have to get out, I have to do something. 94%. We got about 0.3.
Look at it. Where are we? Do you recognize this place? Somebody starting off. But here we are, back at the beginning. Birdhouse Ridge.
She went that way, huh?
We went that way. Yep,
It's the same squash.
we went that way. Somebody starting.
She's just very casual.
Yay, look at that.
We here. We did it, Matila. We did it.